Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Kim Carta, and Kim Carta has a little bit of a YouTube following, and we'll put her page down there so you guys can check it out. But very interesting case because she's a transgender and she's going through a transition now. So she's going from what is basically a male hairline to a feminine hairline, more rounded feminine hairline. So a very interesting case. And we do have our share of transgendered clients here, so it's very important and nice to have a resource for those patients. But tell us about your story. Tell us about your transition and how you found us.
Pretty much, I found you guys over a year and a half ago, just searching through YouTube and whatnot. And I knew that I wanted this as well as some other things done. Right. And I'm here to get it done.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can see that she's had some things done. So she's also had a couple years, she had a little facelift. So she had some scars in the very front. So we're going to actually get in front of those. And then also, she had some micropigmentation. So you can see that there's some discoloring, like tattoos basically, up through here, but also up through here in the temple. So we're going to basically be able to transplant over all of that area, and it's going to give her a completely different profile. As you can see just from the lines that we drew, the difference between their old hairline and the new hairline in terms of looking feminine is night and day. So this will be, yes, and she was kind of started reframing her face, and her eyes lit up and said, yes, that's exactly what I was looking for. So next phase, we're going to give her some anesthesia, and we'll be checking in throughout the day. So thanks again, Kim, and we'll be following up today.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm here with Kim, and Kim actually has finished her surgery at this point. And honestly, the reason we didn't do a lot of check-ins is because she was sleeping for the majority of the procedure. So we just woke her up and say, hey, call you ride, we're almost done. And you can see with her her new hairline, again, going from male to female hairline, you can see how now her face is completely reframed into a much more feminine, rounded hairline. Very exciting for her. In fact, when she looked in the mirror afterwards, she said, oh my gosh, I love it. You can really see what it's going to do for her look. So overall, how was the pain today? Did you have much pain? Or
it was no pain at all. Like you said, I was
sleeping most of the time, right?
Yeah.
And so later tonight, the anesthesia will wear off. She'll have a little bit of pain, and we have some pain medicine for her. Went over all the post-op instructions, but looking forward to seeing how this changes you and your life and your appearance. And thank you again for sharing this. We look forward to seeing your YouTube page, and we'll put it underneath there. What's the address again?
It's actually Instagram, and it's therealkimcarter.com.
Thank you. So check it out. Thanks. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.